Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by signing into the Google account that will receive the phone number. Make sure your phone can receive SMS and has a stable connection. This prevents delays during verification. Once signed in at accounts, Google, Com, or in Android settings Google, navigate straight to personal info. You're doing this first so the system can link verification codes to your active session. This reduces confusion when multiple accounts or devices are involved. Next, add the number under Personal Info, then Contact Info, then Phone. Choose whether this is a recovery or primary contact. Recovery helps if you forget your password. Request the verification code and watch for the 6-digit SMS. Enter it exactly as shown. Once done, Google confirms the link. If you prefer, use voice call verification for landlines. Make sure to keep the browser or app open while waiting so the code applies to the current session. Finish by confirming the phone displays as verified in your account and adjust who can see it in People and Sharing. If the code never arrives, try simple fixes. Toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, or request the code again after 2 minutes. These steps clear temporary network stalls. If problems continue, check with your carrier for SMS blocking or test with a different number. One key tip: use a different device or browser to repeat verification if session cookies are interfering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.